Hello, welcome to week 13. We are in November. Wow, where did the semester go? Oh, I don't even know. Anyway, we are on week 13. We are working on paper 3, which was introduced last week. So this week we are continuing to work on paper 3. And to help you with that, we're going to learn about credibility. And again, this is going to help you realize if your sources are good. And help you just reinforce those concepts of why using sources in academic papers. This is all designed to help you make your paper as strong as it can be. Now, you should have been working on your paper and started doing some research. You did the research already, but start writing out your ideas. You got a working thesis. You're starting to put together some evidence to back up your stuff. Now, for this week, we want you to write an essay. Now that you've done some research on your topic, does it support your preliminary thesis? Okay, so you have an idea of what the theme of A Raisin in the Sun is. Okay, do the research that you have from either before when you did your annotated bibliography or now when you're doing more, or your own personal research as you're looking at the text, does it support your preliminary thesis? Okay, because again, you may have an idea and you're like, well, the theme is, again, belly button rings. But there's more. I think it's also maybe, I don't know, that the sky really is blue when you look at it. Okay, again, I'm just making up, silly stuff. But the idea is that you may say, hey, look, there's more stuff. Okay, is there anything you need to change with your primary or your original thesis? Okay, to support your evidence. Okay. If it is, then explain why. Say, yeah, I've done some research and my thesis was this, and yeah, I'm starting to get some of my ideas. So in 200 words, explain how basically your research or your evidence is supporting your thesis, or if it's not, how you've had to kind of change things a little bit. So this is just kind of just a really quick assignment to help you kind of guide you down the path as you're working on paper 3. I'm not giving you a lot of work to do this week simply because I want you to focus on really working on a good first draft of your paper, and because it's very important, and again, just to kind of reinforce the concept of credibility. So that's what's happening here for week 13. Again, you're working on your big paper and just have an essay to help you along the way. So that's what's going on. All right, keep working.